Hi, this is Farmhouse Fit Chick here with some TRX squats. The TRX squat is a great leg day exercise. I love the suspension training straps because it really works on that core while using your body weight to perform the exercises. This is a great exercise for beginners because they can learn proper form and technique. You'll perform 8 to 12 reps, slow and controlled. Our feet are going to be shoulder width apart. Our palms are going to be facing one another, holding the handles, and our wrists are going to be nice and straight. So feet shoulder width apart, gut is tight, shoulders are down and back, and our wrists are straight. We're going to squat down and then come back up. We're going to make sure our knees do not extend past our toes. We're going to perform 8 to 12 repetitions of this before moving on to the next exercise. And that, my friends, is the TRX squat.